If you understand licensing law but still miss questions on the Arizona real estate exam, it's usually because of subtle traps in wording. Welcome back to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we're focusing on memory tools, common exam traps, and strategies to eliminate wrong answers quickly. First, remember ADRE's role using the 3 E's: education, examination, and enforcement. That helps anchor their primary function in Arizona real estate regulation. Now let's talk traps. One major exam trap is confusing the Arizona Department of Real Estate with the Arizona Association of Realtors. The department regulates and enforces licensing laws. The association is a trade organization. If you see regulatory authority, the answer is ADRE. Another trap involves timing. Arizona loves testing deadlines. Remember this simple rule: 1 year to apply after passing the exam, 2 years before renewal, 24 hours of continuing education required for renewal. Think of it as 1, 2, 24, 1 year, 2 years, 24 hours. Another common mistake involves inactive status. If a license is inactive, the agent cannot perform any real estate activity. Not listings, not showings, not negotiations, none. When you see answer choices that include with broker supervision or with written permission, slow down. If the license is inactive, the activity is prohibited entirely. Here's a test-taking strategy tip. Eliminate answers that introduce new information not mentioned in the question. Arizona exam writers often include attractive but irrelevant answer choices. Also watch for absolute words like always, never, and only. Licensing law questions are usually procedural, not emotional. If an answer sounds dramatic, it's often wrong. Finally, when in doubt on licensing law questions, choose the answer that protects the public. Arizona real estate law is structured around consumer protection. In the next topic, we'll move into agency law, one of the most heavily tested areas on the Arizona real estate exam. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.